Maytag Commercial Technology washers are built for durability, but when they fail to spin, it's usually due to one of three main issues: off-balance loads, lid lock malfunctions, or drive system problems. These commercial-grade machines rotate the drum at speeds up to 1200 RPM using a combination of drive motor, transmission, and control board. The three primary causes are off-balance loads, lid lock malfunctions, and drive system issues. Lid lock problems often involve faulty switches or wiring, as shown in this diagram. Drive system failures may require checking motor continuity, like in this diagnostic diagram. The spin cycle depends on the drive motor, transmission, and control board working together to reach those high speeds. An unevenly distributed load is the most common reason a Maytag CT washer won't spin. Sensors monitor drum stability. If the weight exceeds a set threshold, the washer will stop to prevent damage. To resolve this, redistribute the load inside the drum, ensuring items are spread evenly. Avoid washing oversized or bulky items like comforters alone. Check for worn suspension springs or shocks. The lid lock mechanism secures the washer lid during the spin cycle for safety. This solenoid-based lock prevents the lid from opening while the drum spins at high speeds. If the lid lock malfunctions, the washer won't spin to avoid safety risks. Check the control panel for error codes like F22, which specifically indicates a lid lock problem. To diagnose, test the lid lock switch for continuity using a multimeter. Connect the probes and check the resistance. It should read 0 ohms when the lock is properly engaged. If the switch is stuck or shows no continuity, it needs replacement. Additionally, water ingress from leaks can corrode the solenoids, causing lock failures. Clean and inspect regularly. Regular maintenance of the lid lock helps prevent spin issues and ensures safe operation. Drive system failures in Maytag CT washers often involve the motor or drive belt. If these components fail, the washer may not spin at all. Listen for unusual noises like grinding or squealing during the spin cycle, which can indicate belt or motor problems. Inspect the drive belt visually for signs of wear, fraying, or breakage. A damaged belt will prevent proper power transmission to the drum. Check the motor and drive pulley for proper alignment. Misalignment can cause the belt to slip or wear unevenly. Use a straight edge to verify alignment as shown in this diagram. Pay attention to error codes on the control panel. An F08 code typically points to a motor malfunction that requires inspection or replacement. Replacing a worn drive belt is usually a simple DIY task involving removing the old belt and installing a new one, as demonstrated here. Always unplug the washer first for safety. Begin by unplugging the washer for safety to prevent electrical hazards. Access the rear panel by locating it and removing it to expose the internal components. Locate the drive belt that connects the motor to the drum, transferring rotational power. Remove the old frayed belt by carefully detaching it from the motor and drum pulleys. Install the new belt by placing it on the pulleys and ensuring proper alignment for smooth operation. Reassemble the rear panel by securing it back into position. Plug in the washer and test the spin cycle to ensure the repair is successful. Parts typically cost around $50, potentially saving you hundreds compared to professional service. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Maytag CT washer. Start by cleaning filters and sensors regularly to remove buildup that can cause errors. Distribute loads evenly to prevent off-balance errors that can lead to spin failures. Inspect and replace worn suspension components, like springs and shocks, to maintain proper balance. Avoid overloading the washer to prevent strain on the drive system and components. These practices can prevent costly repairs and downtime, keeping your washer running smoothly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the spin issue with your Maytag CT washer, advanced diagnostics are needed. Start by entering the washer's diagnostic mode for detailed error analysis. Access the control panel during startup to run built-in tests. The display will show specific error codes that pinpoint the exact problem, such as drive motor faults or sensor issues. If error codes continue, or you're uncomfortable with electrical components, contact a qualified appliance technician. They have the tools and expertise for safe repairs. Improper DIY repairs can void your warranty, cause further damage, or lead to safety hazards like electrical shock. Always prioritize professional service for your Maytag CT washer. Newer Maytag CT models now integrate smart diagnostics through the Maytag app, enabling users to perform self-tests for common issues like spin failures. This technology helps identify problems early before they become major repairs. IoT-enabled washers are incorporating AI diagnostics that analyze usage patterns to predict potential spin issues. This proactive approach can reduce breakdowns by identifying problems before they occur. Looking ahead, future trends include the use of self-healing materials in drive components. These innovative materials can repair minor wear automatically, significantly minimizing spin failures and extending the lifespan of washers. Stay updated on these technological advancements to ensure your Maytag CT washer continues running smoothly and efficiently.